Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.20. Watching 10 Google ads, you can earn over $12. And regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $2, $6, and even over $10 per minute watching Google ads. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come to this brand new website, where you can watch Google website ads and earn money watching them. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. But as you can see, this site has already paid over $7 million to its users. They have over 4.8 star ratings on Google from over 5,000 real users around the world. So you can trust this website. This Google Ads website is available worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world and still earn money with it. But now the name of this website is the swashapp.io. You can search for the Swash app on Google, or you can just come to the URL swashapp.io and you will be taken to its homepage. Today I will be sharing a bonus trick with you that's going to help you 10x your earnings on Swash app. So stay tuned until the end. As you can see, they already have over 300,000 people earning money on Swash app, and it's also completely free to use it. So you don't have to spend any money, and you can get paid to watch those Google ads for free. All you have to do is to watch the Google website ads, and you will get paid for watching each Google ads. You will earn points for watching Google ads that you can later redeem in the form of gift cards, cash, or in crypto. You can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $1.20 per Google ad you watch, depending on your country. As you can see, Swash app is available in more than 200 countries around the world, so you can make money from any part of the world. Not only that, they let you withdraw your earnings in many different payment methods right here, like the PayPal, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and in different cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if none of these payment methods are available in your country, you can directly get paid into your bank account using the Visa debit card.
Now the step number 2, to start earning money for watching Google ads with Swash app. All you have to do is to click on this Get Swash button right here. That's going to take you to the Google Chrome web store, where you can see that they have over 5,000 positive reviews. And you just need to click on Add to Chrome to add the Swash app extension. Now click on the Add extension, and the Swash app extension will be added to your browser. After that, you will be taken to this page where it says, "Are you new to Swash?" Select yes. I am new here and I want to create a new wallet. That's then going to take you to this privacy policy page. You can read their terms of service and privacy policy there. Once you do that, just check this box and press the next button from there. On the next page, it says, "Keep your private key in a safe place." So just remember that. Check on this box also and move forward by pressing the next button. Now you need to select your gender, your age, and your household income on this page and press next again. After that, you need to sign up using your email. Make sure it's your real email because they will send you a verification code on it. So enter your email in this box, check "I am not a robot," and hit submit button. Now just copy paste the reification code sent to your email and click verify to verify it. And you can see, congratulations, your Swash wallet has been created. Now just scroll down a little bit and click where it says turn Swash on, and it will take you to your Swash profile. This is how it will look like. But right now it says only members who verify can withdraw their earnings. So just verify your phone number and complete your profile to be able to withdraw your earnings. You can also turn off this icon if you want the light mode. Now coming back to our main video, to actually start earning money for watching Google website ads, all you have to do is to click on the Earn More option from the left. And on this page, you need to click on the Earn from Ads option from here, Get Paid for seeing ads on your browser. That's going to take you to this page where you need to turn on all these 3 options right here. As you can see, I already have these 3 options enabled to earn money online. If I click on my Swash app extension from there, you can see that I have already earned over $33 today while just creating this video for you guys. And out of it, I can withdraw $28 to my bank account right now. So if you want me to create a live withdrawal proof video of my earning from here on Swash app, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video. And comment down below Swash app withdrawal proof, and I will cover the withdrawal proof in one of my upcoming videos on Cash Pro. Now in your case, when you first install the extension, these options won't be enabled on your profile. So make sure you enable all these 3 options so that you can start seeing the Google website ads and earn money online with Swash app for watching those Google ads. Once you enable these options, now whenever you surf the web, whenever you are on a website, watching YouTube, reading blogs, or doing anything on your browser, you will be shown a banner ads like this. This ad is from Swash app extension that is showing on your Google search engine website. And the good thing is that you don't even have to click on these Google ads to make money. You will automatically be paid for each ad that will show on your web browser. But you can click on ads if you like them or if you want to, but that's completely on you. That won't affect your earnings. Now the step number 3, to earn 10 times more money than others. What you can do is you can click on the Earn More option again, and you can see that we have other options to make money other than watching Google ads. So here you can earn money from different offers to complete surveys, installing apps and games, and completing different other tasks to make money online. You can also earn from the referrals by inviting your friends and family to the Swash app by sharing your referral link from there. And the good news is they also have another option coming soon where you can make money on their mobile application. So you can take advantage of all these 3 different options to earn 10 times more money than others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.